Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today we're going to be going over how to create a line chart within Tableau. Now, line charts are really great for showing something over time. So this could be sales over time, this could be profit over time. Let's go ahead and grab a dimension and a measure, and that should be good. But I do want to have our dimension be something over time. So I'm going to have this be order date as our dimension, and then I'm going to have a sales be it, just because it's an easy example. I'm going to go over to here to show me, and then I am going to click on just any type of line chart here will do. I am going to exit out of that. But as you can see here, we can see our sales over time. We kind of started our data, and then 2024 went down, and then it has just rocketed off in the past 2 years, which is kind of crazy because, it's March in 2026. So that'll be a good year if it's already that much this year. But that's just generally going to be how you create a line chart within Tableau. Now, if you wanted to do some type of crazy filters, like if you wanted to filter it down, maybe the line chart is not the best, or maybe what we could do, let's do subcategory, and then I'm going to click show filter. So let's say we wanted to show over sales, but only for, let's say, chairs. Or if we wanted to add furnishings into here as well, we could. So you can see it by individual subcategory with a quick filter over there. But that's kind of getting a little fancy with your line charts and just a quick, simple tutorial on how to do it. I hope that you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at Emily Call MBA. And I'm also a LinkedIn Learning instructor, so you can check out our courses over on that platform. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.